Hi everyone, I am Zara and you are watching Zara Crochet artwork. Today I will show you how to make this single crochet foundation without any chain. For this tutorial I am using a bulky yarn and a crochet hook of 4 mm. First of all, make a slip knot and then make 2 chains on your crochet hook. Then skip the first chain and into the second and first chain insert your hook. As you can see, there are 2 stitches behind the loop. Now pick up a loop and then in the first loop make a chain, then make a single crochet. Again, the bottom of the last two stitches, insert your crochet hook. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pick up the 2 loops. Then make a chain into the first loop and then make a single crochet. Then again insert your hook into the bottom of the last 2 stitches. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pick up the 2 loops. Then yarn over and make a chain. Then yarn over and make a single crochet. Again insert your hook into the bottom of the last 2 stitches. Now make a chain into the first loop and then make a single crochet. Insert your hook the last 2 stitches, bottom stitches, and then in the first loop make a chain and then make a single crochet. Do this until you have reached your desired length. I hope you will learn from this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share, and press the bell button for more videos. Keep watching. And if you like, please thumbs up. Goodbye.